Deep within the lush rainforests of Central and South America and Southeast Asia, roams a fascinating creature, the tapir. Often overlooked, these gentle giants play a vital role in their ecosystems. Tapirs are often described as a mix between a pig and an anteater, but their closest relatives are actually horses and rhinoceroses. 4 distinct species of tapir grace our planet: the Baird's tapir, the Malayan tapir, the mountain tapir, and the South American tapir. Each species boasts unique characteristics, but they all share a common ancestor that roamed the earth millions of years ago. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of tapirs, uncovering their remarkable adaptations and the challenges they face. One of the tapir's most distinctive features is their elongated snout, known as a proboscis. This flexible, prehensile appendage is a marvel of evolution, serving a variety of purposes in the tapir's daily life. It's controlled by a complex network of muscles, allowing the tapir to move it in all directions with impressive dexterity. The proboscis is more than just a feeding tool. It also serves as an acute sense organ, enabling the tapir to navigate its environment and detect potential threats. Tapirs are true rainforest dwellers, inhabiting the dense, humid forests of Central and South America, as well as Southeast Asia. They are highly adaptable creatures, found in a variety of rainforest habitats, from lowland swamps and floodplains to montane forests. These shy herbivores are most active at night, emerging from their daytime hiding places to forage for food. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, fruits, buds, and aquatic vegetation. They play a vital role in seed dispersal, as they often swallow seeds whole, which are then deposited elsewhere in their droppings. Tapirs are selective eaters, preferring certain types of plants over others. They have even been known to travel long distances in search of their favorite foods, playing a vital role in shaping the structure and composition of the rainforest. Their feeding habits also help to create clearings in the undergrowth, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor and promoting the growth of new plants. However, their reliance on pristine rainforest environments makes them particularly vulnerable to habitat loss and fragmentation, a growing concern as deforestation continues to threaten these vital ecosystems. Despite their somewhat stocky appearance, tapirs are surprisingly agile creatures, capable of navigating dense undergrowth and even climbing steep slopes with ease. Their size varies depending on the species, but on average, they can grow up to 6 feet in length and weigh between 330 to 700 pounds. Tapirs are generally solitary animals, preferring to roam their territories alone except during mating season. However, they are not completely antisocial. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including whistles, clicks, and snorts. Their social interactions are often subtle, relying on scent marking and vocal communication to establish territories and attract mates. Mothers are fiercely protective of their young, which are born with distinctive spotted coats that provide camouflage in the dappled light of the rainforest floor. Young tapirs stay with their mothers for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills such as foraging for food, avoiding predators, and navigating their rainforest home. This extended period of maternal care is crucial for their survival in the wild. Section 5. Tapirs in peril, a conservation concern. Sadly, these gentle giants are facing an uncertain future. All 4 species of tapir are classified as either endangered or vulnerable, with their populations dwindling due to habitat loss, hunting, and human-wildlife conflict. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion, logging, and mining, is the most significant threat to tapirs. As their rainforest homes are cleared for other land uses, tapirs are losing their vital habitat and food sources, leading to population decline and fragmentation. Hunting for their meat and hides is another major threat, particularly in areas where tapirs are seen as a source of food or income. Human-wildlife conflict also poses a challenge, as tapirs may raid crops and damage property in their search for food, leading to retaliatory killings. The plight of the tapir is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. As rainforest ecosystems are degraded, the delicate balance of life is disrupted, impacting not only tapirs but countless other species that depend on these vital habitats. Section 6. Aquatic acrobats and sensory masters. While their bulky build might suggest otherwise, tapirs are surprisingly adept swimmers. They are often found near water sources, using rivers and streams as both a refuge from predators and a source of food. Their streamlined bodies and powerful legs make them strong swimmers, capable of crossing rivers and even diving underwater to graze on aquatic plants. This ability to navigate aquatic environments allows them to access areas that are inaccessible to other land mammals, expanding their foraging range and providing a vital escape route when threatened. Tapirs rely heavily on their senses to navigate their environment and avoid danger. Their eyesight is relatively poor, but they possess an exceptional sense of smell and hearing. Their large mobile ears can swivel independently, allowing them to pinpoint the source of sounds with remarkable accuracy. This heightened sense of hearing allows them to detect the slightest rustle in the undergrowth, alerting them to the presence of predators or potential threats. Their keen sense of smell also plays a crucial role in communication, allowing them to detect the scent markings of other tapirs and avoid territorial disputes. Section 7. Whispers of the Forest, Tapir Communication. Though often silent creatures, tapirs possess a surprisingly diverse repertoire of vocalizations used for communication within their rainforest homes. From high-pitched whistles to low grunts and snorts, each sound conveys a specific message. One of the most common vocalizations is a high-pitched whistle, often used as a contact call between individuals. This piercing sound can travel considerable distances through the dense vegetation, allowing tapirs to stay in touch with each other while foraging or moving through their territories. When threatened, tapirs may emit a series of sharp snorts or barks, warning others of potential danger. Mothers are particularly vocal when protecting their young, using a combination of grunts, snorts, and even screams to ward off predators. Tapirs also communicate through scent marking, using urine and feces to establish territories and advertise their presence to potential mates. This chemical communication plays a vital role in maintaining social structure and reducing conflict between individuals. Section 8. Telltale Tracks, the unique footprints of tapirs. For those lucky enough to venture into tapir territory, their unique footprints are a telltale sign of their presence. Unlike the single-hoof tracks of their horse relatives, tapirs possess an unusual foot structure that distinguishes them from all other mammals. Their front feet have 4 toes, while their hind feet have only 3, creating a distinctive imprint in soft ground. This unusual foot structure provides excellent traction in the slippery conditions of the rainforest floor, allowing them to navigate uneven terrain and muddy riverbanks with ease. The size and shape of the footprints can also provide clues about the individual tapir that made them. Larger tracks indicate an adult, while smaller tracks suggest a juvenile. By examining the spacing and depth of the footprints, experienced trackers can even determine the direction of travel and approximate size of the tapir. These telltale tracks provide valuable insights into the secretive lives of tapirs, allowing researchers to estimate population densities, track their movements, and monitor their activity patterns. Section 9. A Lifetime in the Rainforest. Tapirs are long-lived creatures with an average lifespan of 25 to 30 years in the wild. However, their actual lifespan can vary depending on factors such as species, habitat quality, and exposure to threats. During their lifetime, tapirs play a vital role in maintaining the health and biodiversity of their rainforest homes. As herbivores, they help to control plant populations, preventing any one species from dominating the ecosystem. Their feeding habits also create gaps in the undergrowth, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor and promoting the growth of new plants. Their dung, rich in nutrients, acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil and supporting a diverse array of plant and insect life. Even in death, tapirs continue to contribute to the ecosystem, their carcasses providing a valuable source of food for scavengers and decomposers. The longevity of tapirs highlights the importance of long-term conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures and their rainforest homes. By ensuring their survival, we are not only safeguarding a unique and ancient lineage but also preserving the delicate balance of life within these vital ecosystems. The future of tapirs, a question for us all. We've witnessed their remarkable adaptations, their vital role in the rainforest, and the growing threats they face. The future of these gentle giants hangs in the balance. Can we find a way to coexist with these amazing creatures, ensuring future generations marvel at their beauty? The answer lies in our hands. By supporting conservation, we secure a brighter future for tapirs. Section 11. Join the conservation conversation. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of tapirs. I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for these fascinating and ecologically important creatures. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about tapirs and other endangered species, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Share it with your friends and family to spread awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation. Together, we can make a difference.